Welcome to That Real Estate Therapist channel, where we delve into the world of real estate investing and share valuable insights to help you make real estate easy. Today, we're focusing on maximizing the potential of your property investment. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these strategies will empower you to make the most of your real estate ventures. Step number 1, strategic acquisition. The first step to maximizing your property investment potential is strategic acquisition. We'll guide you through conducting thorough market research to identify areas with strong growth potential and favorable rental yields. Learn how to spot properties with value-add opportunities such as renovations or improvements that can increase their market value over time. Plus, we'll discuss the importance of partnering with experienced realtors and real estate professionals who can offer valuable insights and guidance throughout the acquisition process. Step 2, financial planning and management. Effective financial planning and management are essential for maximizing your property investment potential. We'll help you develop a comprehensive budget that accounts for all expenses, including acquisition costs, ongoing maintenance, and potential vacancies. Explore different financing options that align with your investment goals and discover proactive financial management strategies to optimize cash flow and maximize returns. Step 3, value-add strategies. Unlock the full potential of your property investment with value-add strategies. Learn how to make targeted improvements or upgrades to your property to increase its value and appeal to tenants or buyers. From renovations to landscaping improvements and energy-efficient upgrades, we'll explore ways to enhance your property's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Plus, discover opportunities to increase income potential through amenities or additional rental units. Step 4, tenant relations and retention. Maintaining positive tenant relations and retention is crucial for maximizing long-term investment potential. We'll discuss how to cultivate open communication with tenants, address concerns promptly, and implement retention strategies to minimize vacancies and turnover costs. Prioritize tenant satisfaction to foster long-term relationships and minimize disruptions to cash flow. Step 5, market monitoring and adaptation. In the dynamic real estate market, staying informed and adaptable is key. Learn how to continuously monitor market trends, including rental rates, property values, and demographic shifts, to identify emerging opportunities or challenges. Remain flexible and willing to adapt your investment strategy as needed to capitalize on market fluctuations or mitigate risks. Diversify your investment portfolio to spread risk and maximize potential returns. Step 6, property maintenance and upkeep. Regular maintenance and upkeep are essential for preserving the value and appeal of your investment property. Develop a proactive maintenance plan that includes routine inspections, repairs, and preventative measures to address potential issues before they escalate. Invest in high-quality materials and professional services to ensure the longevity of your property and minimize costly repairs down the line. By prioritizing maintenance, you can protect your investment and maximize its long-term potential.
Step 7, continuous education and networking.
To stay ahead in the competitive real estate market, ongoing education and networking are key. Attend industry events, workshops, and seminars to stay updated on industry trends, regulations, and best practices. Network with fellow investors, real estate professionals, and industry experts to exchange insights, ideas, and opportunities. By continuously learning and expanding your network, you can access valuable resources and opportunities to maximize the potential of your property investment. So, maximizing the potential of your property investment requires a multifaceted approach and ongoing effort. By implementing these key strategies, which we'll delve into deeper as we go on, and staying proactive and adaptable, investors can unlock the full potential of their real estate ventures and achieve long-term success in the competitive market. Stay tuned for more tips and insights to help you navigate the world of real estate investing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow along to make your real estate journey an easy one.